The U.S. Navy is taking an interesting kind of dual-pronged path to its future of maritime warfare in terms of its next generation of warships, destroyers. There's a new program called DDG-X, which envisions a follow-on to the existing DDG-51 Arleigh Burke class destroyers. And the twofold aspects of the concept are this. One of them is design rendering or hull. It's conceptual at the moment, but there's an idea that perhaps it might look like a DDG-51 with a flared hull for equal displacement and stability. Or perhaps it could be more like a USS Zumwalt, a stealthy tumble-home hull, which gets smaller above the waterline. That's designed to be wave-piercing and less detectable to enemy radar. The other element of the ship's development is to have it mirror or take the exact combat system from the DDG-51 Arleigh Burke class destroyers. Flight 3s in particular have an entire new paradigm-changing series of technologies. And it's not just to take them as they are, but to build them with open architecture and a modular capacity so that they can continuously be upgraded. New software updates, weapons precision, fire control, even weapons configurations themselves. Well, the DDG-51 Flight 3 is now under construction. The intent is for them to sail alongside this new DDG-X, has a host, a technology suite, which is something called Baseline 10 Aegis radar system, which is a ballistic and cruise missile detecting radar system linked to a fire control and an onboard system of software and communications command and control. It has a radar called the Spy-1, which is purported to be 35 times more sensitive than previous radars. So it not only can see objects twice as far away, but half the size and get an electromagnetic rendering from great distances. So commanders have an ability to discern threats and decide which countermeasure might be best suited for that particular threat. It also has advanced EW, vertical launch systems, and onboard electrical power. This is extremely significant for the future of maritime warfare, not just for something like integrated propulsion system or IPS from Zumwalt, but also for onboard power systems and distribution of power to enable a new generation of weapons, things like lasers, things like railguns had been thought about in previous days. There could be all kinds of microwave weapons or electronic warfare, not just for offensive, but defensive operations to potentially jam an incoming anti-ship cruise missile. So the idea is to engineer a new destroyer that will go alongside the existing upgraded destroyers, but bring it into new directions. So it has a new generation of technology. Kris Osborn, Warrior Maven, Center for Military Modernization.